Welcome to my channel. I'm Dave. I'm here to help guitar and bass players like you learn how to set up, customize, and repair your instruments with tools that you can mostly craft on your own. Now, I've scoured YouTube for guitar repair advice, just making sure I have all the latest techniques. And I noticed one big problem, and that's a lot of the advice is given by guitar techs who, while good at what they do, may not be the best teachers. Now, I'm a teacher by trade, and I wanted to create something that's specifically designed for people who are learning and may have done a little bit of guitar repair, maybe dabbled, or have no experience. And that's what I'm starting to do here. So I've created my very first mini course, and I'm going to give it away for absolutely free. It's called Foolproof Fretwork. It's going to cover start to finish, how to assess your fingerboard and your frets, seat your frets properly, glue them, and then level, crown, and polish them. Now that's sort of the foundation of anything on your guitar, because if you're limited by a fret that's popped up, not seated properly, then that's going to limit your ability to intonate your guitar, to customize the height, to do anything that has to do with string height, basically. So I've created that course. It's absolutely free. I'll put the link down below. You just have to put your email in there, and don't worry, I'm not going to spam you or anything. I will just notify you when I've created my next thing. And hope you enjoy, and hope you can fix your guitars and get the satisfaction that I know you will out of it.